Don't be long, Dilys. Oh yes, Dilys is here.
Hello, Yellow Cat, my favourite princess.
Good to see you again.
Yellow Cat, who are you talking to?
Hello, Green Cat. Yes, hello. What's your name again?
You know that. It's Dilys the Bat.
Dilys the Bat?
3 voices look familiar.
I'm not scared anymore.
I'll come with you, Green Cat.
No thanks. I mean, yes, please.
I remember the 18,000 ghosts.
18,000 ghosts are scary.
Can I come too?
Sorry, Richard, it's not your birthday. 2 birthdays?
I know that it's too early.
Don't worry, Richard. You could have an adventure after 2 birthdays.
Thank you.
We're here.
It's haunted and it's gloomy.
I'm right behind ya.
There's no one home.
Well, I'm using the window.
It's a giant bat. Just let her in.
Well, thank you very much.
Dilys, I'm worried. Green Cat, you need to be brave. Who pokes me?
It was me.
Lots of dust. There's dust everywhere.
Yikes, Dilys! Did you see that?
What's up, Green Cat? A minute ago, the fireplace had eyes. Pink Cat, don't worry about it.
They're in the haunted and gloomy mansion.
Richard, you've been there and you're not scared.
Yes, you can look after me. And the mansion is scary.